Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on VGX. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that VGX is moving inside a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video. And at the same time, it was about to break another channel that I was showing you in my previous video on the daily time frame chart. This is the bigger falling wedge pattern. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this was the channel that I was showing you in my previous video. And I was telling you that now it is about to break this channel, and you can see that it has finally broken out the channel. And so far, we had a nice short pump, by the way. From this low to here, it was almost 43 or 44% pump. And now the price line is moving very close to this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern. And here we also have found another uptrend line support before the breakout, and the movement is getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern between this uptrend line support and the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for VGX that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VGX that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that VGX formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone. And this is the stop loss below this level. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is dropped again down because it was after the completion of the leg slightly moved up, and now it is after some price correction moved again inside this potential reversal zone, and I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell target zone. And before that, we caught almost 23% pump, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that I shared a few days ago on 4th of June 2024 with my members. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and reached the sell target line here. And this was almost 23% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of VGX. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And first of all, let me just show you the 4-hour time frame chart, in not a 4-hour, a daily time frame chart. And this was the down channel that I was showing you in my previous video. And you can see that finally, after dropping at this uptrend line support that I was telling you that the price line has found recently on a weekly time frame chart, you can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that was happened here after moving in at this support while moving inside this channel. On a daily time frame chart, you can watch this bounce very clear. You can see the price line was moving inside this channel, and finally it was dropped down here at this support, and it bounced very well, and we have broken out the resistance of the channel. Now if we take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this channel, that technical target is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 12.26 cents. And if that happens, then it can also break out the bigger resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, here we have a quite long-term resistance of 11 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 11 cents has been previously working as a very strong and long-term support for several weeks or months. Therefore, now it can work as a strong resistance. Therefore, even after breaking out the wedge, we will also need to break out this resistance of the 11 cents as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this bigger falling wedge pattern, then long-term technical target for this big breakout will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $5 to $6. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.